Morning children, today we are starting the new chapter time. Here we are going to study about time. So children, a clock helps us to measure time. How we will know the time? By looking at the clock, is it? This time chapter also you studied in your first standard, is it children? Once again, from the beginning we will start here. Children, you can see one picture of a clock, is it? This is the face of a clock. In the face of the clock, which all numbers are written over there? The numbers from 1 to 12 is written on the face of a clock, is it? Now here in this picture you can see two hands over here, is it children? One is a short hand and the other one is a long hand. Okay, the short hand is called the hour hand and the long hand is called the minute hand. This much things you know from your first standard, is it children? So according to this hour hand and minute hand, what is the time show on this clock? The time is 9 o'clock, is it? We will write it as 9 o'clock. And otherwise we will write 900. Is it children? Now I told you the short hand is the hour hand and the long hand is the minute hand. Okay, so when the minute hand is on 12, the time is here 9 o'clock. Now when the minute hand moves, when it moves from 12 and it reaches 1, what is the minute then? How much minute it will change? When the minute hand is on 1, the minute is 5 minutes. And when the minute hand is on 2, 10 minutes. It's according to our 5's table. We are calculating the minutes. Okay, so when it is on 1, the minute is 5 minutes, and if it is on 2, 10 minutes, and the minute hand is on 3. What is the minute then? After 5, 10, then comes 15. So the minute hand is on 3, actually 15 minutes. Okay, and when it is on 4, 20 minutes, and the minute hand is on 5, 25 minutes, and if it is on 6, 30 minutes. Okay children, and if it is on 7, 35 minutes, and the minute hand is on 8, 40 minutes, the minute hand is on 9, it is 45 minutes. Okay, now after that, if it is on 10, 50 minutes, if it is on 11, 55 minutes, and finally if it is on 12, 60 minutes. So children, it complete one full round. So 60 minutes is completed, we can say 1 hour is completed. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Is it clear? And one more thing children, did you notice AM and PM? Sometimes when we are writing the message in your handbook, the meeting will be at this much AM. Otherwise the school will function till 12 am, 11 am, like that. When we are writing this AM and PM children, look here, the time before 12 noon is denoted by AM. Okay, before 12 noon it is denoted by AM, and the time after 12 noon is denoted by PM. Okay, so while reading these messages, you know which way we are writing this AM and PM. Before noon we will write AM, and if it is the time after 12 noon, it is written as PM. Okay children, now look here, you can see a clock over here. Look at the clock children. The hour hand is on 3 and the minute hand is on 12. So what is the time? That we already studied in our first standard. If the hour hand is on 3 and the minute hand is on 12, the time is 3 o'clock. The time is 3 o'clock, it can also be written as 3, 2 dots we will put and 0, 0. Is it? This type of questions we write in our first standard. Now look at the next clock. Children, look here. Here the hour hand is not exactly on 3, but just move from this 3 and our minute hand is on correct 3. So I told you minute hand is on 3. How much minute we are calculating? I told you using 5's table. Which way we are saying? 15 minutes. Is it? And now children, look at this. From this 12 to this 3, our minute hand cover a quarter of our clock. Is it? It passed a quarter. We study what is quarter in our fraction. Is it? So here from this 12 to 3, our minute hand passed a quarter of the clock. So we can say that quarter past 15 minutes past 3 or quarter past 3. Is it clear? And how we will write the time? It can be written as 3:15. I told you the minute hand is on 3, the time is 15 minutes. Okay, so we can write it as 3:15. Is it clear? Now look at the next clock, children. Here you can see the hour hand is between 3 and 4. Is it? Not exactly on 3. Our hand is also moving slowly. From this 3, here it moves slightly, and here when it comes here, it moves, and now it is in between 3 and 4. Middle of 3 and 4. Is it? And where is our minute hand? Our minute hand is on 6. Exactly on 6. If the minute hand is on 6, what is the minute? 30 minutes. Okay, so how can we say the time is 30 minutes past 3? Otherwise, we can say from this 12, our long hand, our minute hand moves and cover half of this clock. Is it? Half portion it covered. So we can say that the time is 30 minutes past or half past 3. Okay children, once again our minute hand starting from this 12, it turn around and cover half of the clock. So we can say that it passed half past 3. The time is 30 minutes past 3 or half past 3. And how we will write this? It is written as 3:30. 3 hours 30 minutes. Okay, now look at the last clock. Here you can see the hour hand is very close to 4, almost on 4. And where is our minute hand? Minute hand is on 9. I told you when our minute hand is on 9, what is the minute now? 45 minutes. Is it? And look at this minute hand. Our minute hand start from this 12 and cover this much, 3/4 of our clock. Only 1/4 to 12 now. Is it? Only this much portion, only a quarter portion to reach 12. That means reach to the next hour. So we can say that 3:45. The time is 3:45. It can be written as 3:45. Is it clear? Once again, this minute hand started from this 12 and passed this much, 3/4 of our clock. Only 1/4 portion to 12. That means to the next hour. So we can set it as time is 3:45. It is written as 3:45. And be careful while drawing the long hand and short hand of the clock. According to the minutes, our long hand, minute hand is moving. We know that if the time is correct 3 o'clock, the minute hand is on 12. If it is past the quarter. The time is 3:15. 15 minutes till our long hand, minute hand is on 3. And if the minute is 30, our long hand, minute hand is on 6. And if the minute is 45, our minute hand, long hand is on 9. These 4 types of time, these 4 types of clock you must study in this second standard. Okay children, now using this, let's do some questions. Look here children, write the time. Some clocks are given here, we want to write the time. Look at the first clock. Where is the hour hand? It is almost on 1. And where is our minute hand? Minute hand is on 3. If the minute hand on 3, what is the time? Our hand is 1. So we can write 1 hour, and our minute hand is on 3. So the minute is 15 minutes. So we can write 1:15. Okay. Now look here. Our hour hand is in between 8 and 9. So after 8, what is the minute hand? At which number is our minute hand? On 6. So what is the time? 30 minutes. So the time is 8:30, 8:30. Okay. Now look here. Our hour hand is close to 5, almost 5. But our minute hand is on 45 minutes. It is on 9. So the minute is 45. So how we will write the time children? 4:45. Don't make mistake. It is close to 5, not 5. But close to 5, that means only quarter to 5. The time is 4:45. Okay. Now here children we have to draw the hands for the clock. Okay. So we will draw the hands for this clock. The time is given here. We want to draw. Children, the first one is 7 o'clock. How we will draw the hour hand? The short hand is on 7 and the long hand is on 12 because the time is 7 o'clock. Okay children. So the short hand is on 7 and the long hand, minute hand is on 12. Look at the next question. The time is 6:15. 6:15. Our hand is on 6. And where will be the minute hand? Minute is 15 minutes. So minute hand is on 3. Okay. Now look at the next one. Time is 10:30. So the hour hand is in between 10 and 11. Not exactly on 10. Between 10 and 11. And the minute hand is on 30 is the minute. So where will be the minute hand? On 6. Okay children. So this is the exercise. Here the clock is given. We have to write the time, and here the time is given. We want to draw the hands on the clock. So study this type of questions. This will be there in your worksheet also. This type of questions to draw the hands and to write the time. So these 4 types of time we are studying in our second standard. Study properly and do your worksheet. Okay children. That's all for today's class. Thank you.